Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for John in Georgia on the RCI X9HP. John, all your switches are back here. Amp on off switch, high cut filter, 10 kilohertz switch. Clarifier's done. It's fully loaded out. We're going to have to go the 250 watt slug over here on this side. Also, you got the upgraded power cord, which basically adds at least another 25 watts to these radios here. So we're going to put the 250 watt slug in average to 500 in peak. Going to start the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Got to set it 5 all the way down. Right at 50 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, 120 bird. 500 watt slug in peak. Lower, 275 PEP. All right, John, we'll get this down to Georgia for you. I appreciate it. You got Wise and got Truckerized. Bump, bump.